Anong nasa menu natin ngayong umaga dito sa Lutong Daza? May explosion ng fruity, herby at Asian ingredients. Meron rin pops of peppery surprises. Maghahatid din kami ng fun fast food flavor sa inyo. At may pasabog pa tayong sweet dessert. Tunay na erupting with flavor ang episode natin ngayong Sabado.
Na-inspire kasi kami ng aming special guest na may-erupt sa social media. Magnetic ang kanyang hosting skills, volcanic ang kanyang energy sa pag-workout, strategic pagdating sa live streaming ng mga mobile games. At maniwala kayo, ang lakas makabudol ng Eric Eruption sumayaw sa TikTok. Tara na't makisayaw, makisaya, at makiluto sa amin dito lang sa Lutong Daza.
Sabi nga nila, food makes the world go round.
And laughter is the best medicine.
Kaya dito sa Lutong Daza, every time, all the time, good times.
Dagdagan pa natin ang mga game na celebrity guests.
Siyempre, mga recipes na masarap, madaling sundan, and of course, pasok sa budget.
Saan ka pa? Lutong Daza! Good morning, Sandy! It's a beautiful Saturday morning kasi pag alas 11 ng umaga, nakakasama natin ang ating mga viewers para
Yes.
magluto ng napakasarap na naman
Alam
mga
mo,
putahe.
one of the most parang kanta sa akin yan pag sinabi sa akin. Alam mo, trinay ko yung mga recipe nyo. Sa sarap.
Aba!
Gustong-gusto ng pamilya ko. Nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso.
Kaya nga.
Yeah.
So tuwing Sabado talaga marami nag-aabang sa atin kasi gusto nila malaman kung anong lulutuin natin ngayong umaga. Pero tuwing Sabado ng umaga, may nakakasama rin tayo espesyal na
Yes,
bisita.
special, oo.
At ngayong umaga, ang title kasi ng ang theme natin ngayon, Erupting with Flavor.
Correct.
So kung ikaw ay isang mapanuri na viewer,
Naman, no?
di ba?
Sige.
Tama ba yung ginamit ko?
Okay.
Mapanuri.
Manuri, okay.
Dapat makuha mo niya na yung yung clue. Kasi erupting with flavor.
Ayun.
Pag erupting, anong naisip mo? Volcan?
Volcano. Di ba? Ano ba naiisip mo pag erupting mo?
Pag ako, naisip ko pag erupting, walang iba. Kung hindi si Eric Eruption! Ayan ang ating kasama.
Hi,
Good
Eric.
morning!
How are you guys? Pleasure to meet you in the flesh.
Diba? Itong noon pa ito
Ito na,
kilala. Ito na.
Nandito na ako.
Sabi ko
Thank you for inviting me,
Yes,
guys.
sabi ko kay
Yes.
Eric.
Kakain lang ako, ha?
Oo.
Luluto ka.
Luluto ka pa
I'll
rin. Ng
teach you.
konti. Ng konti.
Konti lang. Madali
Oo.
ito.
Okay.
Ito si Eric, season 1 pa lang natin iniimbita na ito. Kaya lang, napaka-busy mag-TikTok. Napakagaling na negosyante. O, di ba? Di ba,
Yes,
sexy,
oo.
laki-laki niya, pero
Oo, wag lang.
ang kembot.
Alam mo yung recipe na ito, bagay na bagay kay Eric kasi healthy recipe ito. Mga salad, di ba? Okay,
Itong
okay.
ating erupting with flavor.
Are you a healthy eater?
Yes. I
Ayun,
do.
okay. You watch.
I do my best to watch what I eat. Kasi sa family ko, syempre may mga, illnesses, sicknesses
Yeah.
that occur.
Yeah.
And it's genetically
Oh.
inherited sometimes.
Yes.
So you have to be careful.
But you can avoid that by eating healthy.
How did you get this buff?
I got it from the hardware store.
You heard? I was just gonna say that. Where'd you buy
Oo
that?
nga, pabili tayo. No,
No,
seriously. How did you do that?
Ever since I was a kid,
Yeah.
my father was sort of a sports guy.
Ah,
sports guy.
so health conscious.
So,
You got into
kahit saan kami
sports.
pupunta,
Yeah.
like habang bata, whether we play tennis,
Yeah.
sasama niya ako. So, and then we play basketball, volleyball, lahat
maraming
na yun.
sports activities.
So, very sporty guy. Eh, doon din nanggaling yung eruption.
Eruption.
Came from the Philippine Volcanoes
Yes.
rugby team.
Rugby team, correct. So
Sige.
ngayong umaga, Sandy, ano yung unang lulutuin natin sa ating erupting with
Actually,
flavor?
ang ipiprepare natin is a sesame chicken salad.
Oh, I
Already,
like that.
Simula pa lang,
Healthy na. Hindi, alam mo, ang recipes ginagawa namin dito, gusto namin kakaiba at surprise sa mga diner at saka madali hanapin ingredients.
Correct. Oo.
Okay, so ito ingredients ng ating sesame chicken salad.
Imagine ninyo ang chicken breast na pinasarap pa with liquid seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder at lemon juice. Dagdagan pa natin ang sesame seeds, cabbage, mandarin orange, avocado, green onions, cilantro at mani. Naku po, flavorful na nga. Healthy pa pag niluto ito sa Minola Premium Coconut Oil.
Bursting with flavor talaga, lalo na pag gumawa tayo ng salad dressing mula sa sesame oil, honey, toyo, suka, luya, orange juice at orange zest. Okay, ang una natin gagawin is this, no? Imamarinate natin yung chicken. Halo natin. You get all these 4 ingredients and put it here.
Which,
Yeah,
yan.
Oh,
Okay.
really?
Kaya mo yan.
You sure?
So-
Baka mag-erupt yung kitchen natin.
Hindi. So, ano
Okay.
yung una niyang kukunin, Sandy?
Yan liquid seasoning yan.
Liquid seasoning.
Liquid seasoning. Yeah, just pour it here. Okay.
Galing,
Lemon
galing, galing pa,
juice.
oh. And then this is...
Lemon juice.
Lemon
Yan.
juice.
Yan. And then, onion and garlic powder.
Okay, pwede
garlic
sa bayo na to.
So, hindi ka talaga
Mix.
tumutuntog sa
Ay,
kusina
kailangan
para lang
itanggal.
kumain.
Yeah, yes, I just...
Just eat.
Yes, just eat.
I-mix mo lang yan.
So, importante talaga na
Eric.
yung sauce first in this case, or...
Kasi, you know what some people do? They put the liquid seasoning, lemon, garlic powder. Ang nangyayari, sometimes if you don't mix it well enough, hindi nagsuspread yung, yung marinade niya. So, what I do is I
Mix it
first,
first.
and then I use this.
Inisip ko, parang hindi...
Hindi na
Hindi
didissolve.
mix it, no?
Yes. Okay, tama yung hawak?
Tama yan.
Okay.
Ang hinhin pala, don't be afraid of the whisk.
Okay.
You can whisk it hard.
Yan. Okay na yan.
Okay.
Then you pour this one here inside. Yeah. Pour it
Or the
in.
chicken.
And then you just have to spread it all
Actually,
over.
it isn't that hard, ha?
Yeah.
Pag ready na lahat siguro. Pag ready na lahat.
That's the
Yan ang key,
secret.
Eric. You have to prepare everything. Nakasukat na lahat yan, di ba?
Para hindi ka
Okay,
mahirapan.
so mamarinate muna natin yung chicken. And then we will start frying. Pakilakas yung konti yung yung...
Okay. So, syempre, lalagyan
Sandy,
natin ng Minola Premium Coconut Oil.
Okay,
Yes,
very
what
nice.
is your question, Eric?
My question is, like, sometimes yung meron yung tinatawag na overnight na marination or something like
Pwede
that.
din yun. Better to marinate it longer para mag-absorb.
Okay.
Now, chicken breast, madali mag-absorb yan kasi parang white meat is easily
Easy to absorb.
easier to absorb than a dark meat, no? Ayan, igisa na natin yan.
Okay, that was quick.
Gigisa lang natin sa Minola Premium Coconut
Tama.
Oil ang
Buksan
ating
natin.
chicken.
Dali. Let's
Okay,
wait
just
a bit.
nice and easy. Tama po?
Yan.
All of it po?
That's
All
what,
of
yan.
it.
All of it.
Alright.
All of it. Ayan.
Galing.
Galing.
Kaya kailangan talaga ihiwalay muna or kahit...
Yes.
Okay.
Sige,
Para
paghihiwalay
even
yan.
ang
Sige.
cooking.
Okay. Let's just...
O, yan na,
Okay,
Sandy.
this is
Mukhang
done.
luto na.
What you want to do is just pour this here.
Strain it.
Just
drain
straight
it,
in.
yeah.
Okay, in the
Yeah,
strainer.
Strain it, yeah.
Pour
Okay, I'll
it.
just get
Pour
this,
everything
just in
there. Yeah,
case.
just throw everything there. The oil will separate.
Oh, beautiful.
Yan.
Okay.
Now, what we'll do next is yung ating dressing. Sige, soy sauce muna.
Sige.
Okay, so kunin muna natin to.
Yeah.
Ay,
Good
I'll just
idea.
reach over. Ooh.
Let me get this pan. So there's more room.
Yeah.
Okay, so saan po natin ilalagay?
Ilagay mo lahat dito. Abot mo lang yan.
Here.
Kasi ito gamitin mo. Sesame oil yan.
I'm sure you eat a lot of salad.
Amoy mo, Eric.
Yes.
Smell it. Para,
Sesame oil.
Oh, yes,
Diba?
yes, definitely.
okay, soy sauce.
Okay, thank you.
I'll be your assistant.
Grabe naman. Ganda ng assistant ko.
Eh, thank you.
Saan?
Guwapo.
Magkamukha tayo, Sandy. Ang dami nagsasabi.
Ay, naku, sinabi yun. Okay. Lemon juice. Sige.
Pero
And this
kasi,
one is?
well, you can put down your bowl. May
Pato.
balancing action.
Oo nga eh.
I love it. Yung talaga, very
Parang
ano ako.
juggler, ah.
Honey.
Oy, honey. Medyo makapal.
Medyo sticky siya.
Manamis-namis.
Oh.
That's okay. Sige, we'll just... Thank you.
Alam mo ito, parang oriental salad
Oo,
eh. Di ba,
correct.
dapat?
Yes.
Sweet and, yeah.
Sweet and
Sort of
Go.
got that, I don't want to say
citrusy.
sour, but
No,
yes.
citrusy because I see the ingredients. We have
Orange
mandarin
zest.
Orange zest.
Lemon zest.
Okay. Ito.
And
Ginger.
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 Yes.
Ayan. That
Okay.
gives it the oriental flavor, the
Now,
ginger.
halo-halo lang yan.
Okay, we use the... Alright.
Set aside na yan. That's it. So,
Malaki yung
Mga
kamay eh.
viewers, huwag niyong gayahin po si Eric. Kasi mahirap yung ganyan. Malaki
Yeah,
lang yung
yung
kamay.
kamay, yung
Malaking kamay eh.
Kamay niya, parang lamesa na, laki eh. Di ba?
Huwag niyo siya gayahin. Pwede niyong ilapag.
Actually,
Ilapag
alam mo,
niyo.
like, even kumakain ako, usually din ganito, especially Chinese food,
Oh,
like
really?
chopsticks.
The chopsticks.
Oh, I'm used to like holding the bowl.
The bowl.
Okay, assembly na tayo. Okay,
Okay.
lagay mo na yung
Pwede mo na
cabbage
ibaba.
yan.
Alright.
Okay. Let me get it from you.
Okay, thank you.
Cabbage. Lagay mo na yung cabbage.
Right inside.
You can use a cabbage, lettuce, purple or red cabbage,
Beautiful.
or pechay.
Sesame, avocado.
Avocado.
Avocado, I love avocado.
Ako rin.
Is it in season ngayon? Parang it is, no?
Di ba all year round ang avocado?
I have no
Minsan
idea
hindi.
actually.
Parang
Kasi
hindi.
minsan I go to
Oo.
the store, oy,
Seasonal
wala ngayon
ang
eh.
avocado.
Ubus sir.
Sesame oil, yan.
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds pala, oil. May oil na pala ron. Half of this, spring onions.
Half
Half
of this,
this half.
okay?
Spring onion.
Alright, just kalahati lang.
Ito, halo yan. Coriander.
Parsley?
Coriander yan.
Coriander. One soy.
Tapos,
Ayan, oriental.
And
chopped
this is
uh,
nuts.
nuts, peanuts.
Peanuts.
Now, toss pat, paabot ng isang wooden spoon.
Ako, I love this chicken oriental salad.
Sarap
Talagang
nito.
very, refreshing kasi citrusy.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Hits home.
oo, tapos you feel it talaga healthy kasi may mga fruits. May avocado,
Yeah.
may orange.
Tapos biglang may lalabas na orange, ano? Yun yung malaking bagay. eh.
When you bite into the orange, di ba, biglang, may orange juice.
Okay,
Ang
ilagay na
sarap.
natin yung ating chicken.
Chicken
Oh,
muna.
agad. Oh, beautiful.
Chicken muna. Okay.
Let's go.
There's the chicken.
Ganda nito, no? Kita mo siya.
I love it.
You really don't cook, you said, di ba?
No, no, no.
Oh, kaya yan. Go,
Oh,
mix,
this one, the
please.
dressing,
What?
hindi pa.
Mix both. No, from both sides, you go
Okay.
like this. Just make the meat in the middle. Yan, same. Yan. Tapos all sides, yan.
Just toss it together. Tapos when do we put the dressing?
Yan, you can
on
put
the side.
Actually, you can put on the side or you can put it now.
Oo.
Pwede kong sabihin sa asawa ko, hey, magaling na ako magluto, ha?
Hindi pa to
Eric,
pag
try mo to,
nagluto.
ah.
Ano
Tingnan
pa
mo
lang
natin.
to?
Okay, okay.
I want you to try
Ako
this.
linalagay ko yung dressing sa side kasi
Try mo.
pag linalagay mo, nagiging soggy ka agad eh.
Oo, so it's up to you.
Oh, that's good.
It's
Good.
good.
And that's the topping for this.
And all we have to do is just serve it. Let's just serve this. Serve natin with the dressing on the side. Tapos top
Para
with
hindi
chopped
magsagi.
spring onions. Yun na
Yeah.
yan. How was it?
Actually, alam nyo, wala pang 10 minutes.
Yeah.
But how was it in preparation?
I'm just thankful sa mga sa inyo na nag-prepare. Kasi that's the hard part. The hard part is preparation.
Correct.
Pero yung
Correct.
yung
Yung
part
putting
ng
it all
mix
together.
everything
Correct.
together,
Da-
seemed
alam mo,
easy.
ayan is a good point na sinabi ni Eric because yan ang key talaga sa pag nagluluto ka is kailangan ayusin mo lahat ng ingredients, nakasukat na, tapos inassemble na lang niya.
Yes.
Ganun lang, di ba? So kung nasa bahay ka, honey, paki-prepare. Di ba? Ganun.
Yan na yun, yan na yun.
Pwede,
Di ba?
pwede, pwede.
I know this is meant to be a hot salad, pero personally, mas trip ko yatang palamigin muna ang ating sesame chicken salad sa refrigerator. At trip ko ring i-post ito sa social media. Kita-kit sa Lutong Daza official Instagram and TikTok for this recipe. Tada!
Yan na, oh.
Ayan na ating sesame chicken salad.
Okay, so what
Yes.
else do you think we can add to parang
Enhance.
maiba?
Oh.
Well, I always ask at home for eggs. So
Okay.
eggs
High
talaga.
protein.
Hard-boiled
I
eggs,
would
yeah.
put some
Okay.
hard-boiled eggs. I will put in that for others, like other vegetables.
Or fruits,
Fruits.
aside from the avocado and the mandarin oranges.
How about
Hindi
adding
ako
ano?
fruit guy.
Ay, hindi
Hindi
ka
ka,
fruit guy.
Like, but I will usually eat fruit separately. Pero pagdating dito, I love the avocados. Huh?
Yeah, yeah,
I love
yeah.
the oranges. I think it just goes.
How about adding a little texture? So lutong,
Texture?
crunch.
I'll put
Crunch.
like maybe ako I'll fry wonton wrapper
Yes.
and cut it into strips.
Yes.
So like so that you have an added crunch
yes,
for
Ganda
chips.
yun.
yes. I
Diba?
like that
Ganda yun,
one.
yeah.
Chips you can
Yeah.
put. Okay.
Sige.
So ito na nga yung sesame chicken salad natin. Dish number 1 pa lang ito. Meron pa kaming 3 lulutuin. So samahan nyo kami dito pa rin sa Lutong Daza kasama si Eric Eruption.
Sa kasulukuyang henerasyon, marami na ang nag-viral. Dahil po yan sa kanilang ginagawang pagtulong sa kapwa. Pero mas marami ang tumutulong kahit walang nakakakita. Kaya naman kung ikaw ay may kilala na grupo o individual na may natatanging pagresponde sa lipunan at maging sa kalikasan, mag-text lamang sa 0915-415-1035 o mag-email sa responde@net25.com at magpadala ng mensahe sa ating Facebook page at Net25TV. Baka kayo na ang susunod nating Certified Key Responder.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.
We're back! Eric
Yes, we are.
Eruption. Ang ating theme, erupting with flavor. Oh.
That's right. As we can see, di ba?
Oh,
Erupting with ang daming ingredients this time.
Pero ito,
Doble na.
like I say, kakaiba yung mga recipes natin.
Oh, ngayon,
Because,
oo.
kasi gusto ko i-surprise yung mga tao eh.
Oh, hindi yung usual.
Hindi yung usual,
diba?
na parang, uy, pwede pala yun
Pwede. So,
diba?
itong second dish natin, Sandy, ano ang title?
Ang title nito is spaghetti cake.
Spaghetti cake?
Actually,
Pero ano
first time
to?
narinig ko yan, ha?
Oo nga eh.
Spaghetti cake.
Iniimbento ko lang naman yung mga names eh. Hindi kasi ganito.
Siguro bored ka sa buhay, no?
Hindi.
Nag-invento
Pero
ka.
hindi hindi dessert ah. Ako naisip ko itong recipe na ito kasi sometimes pag nakapunta tayo sa party o gumawa tayo ng party, meron tayong mga leftover spaghetti.
Correct.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so ito gagawin natin. Ngayon, kunyari, i-resemble natin, kunyari, leftover spaghetti, lalagyan natin ng flavor, tapos lalagyan natin ng filling yan.
Feeling.
Okay, ito ang ingredients ng ating spaghetti cake.
Siyempre, ang unang kailangan natin ay spaghetti noodles. Sunod, ihanda ng Filipino-style spaghetti sauce, Minola Premium Coconut Oil, bawang, sibuyas, red at green bell peppers, giniling na baboy, pork cube, luncheon meat, liquid seasoning, at itlog. So, ayan ang mga ingredients. So, assuming na wala tayong leftover spaghetti, pero gusto natin gumawa ng spaghetti cake, magluluto ulit tayo ng spaghetti.
Yes, madali lang naman
Madali,
eh.
oo.
Kasi katulad nito, no? Okay, meron tayong, sige, lagyan mo ng konting cooking oil muna.
Lagyan natin ng Minola Premium Coconut Oil.
Konti lang, konti
Just a
lang.
little.
Ito, this is a Filipino-style spaghetti sauce. So may flavor na to.
Okay,
So,
yes.
ideally, bumili na tayo ng ganyan yung
Oo,
instant,
oo,
no? Para
yung-
hindi na masyadong maraming
Oo,
dadagdagan
kasi
ng flavor.
parang nire-resemble natin yung leftover spaghetti na may lasa, di ba?
Okay.
Okay, Filipino style. Okay.
Wala pa. Pero malapit na.
Ayan, kikita mo, ayan yun ang may waves na.
Yeah, yes, yes,
Sige, lagay mo na
Pwede
yan.
na.
Okay.
Sige.
Thank you.
Come on, Eric.
I will take that. We will put in the
Yan.
tomato
Diba,
sauce.
Sandy, nalala ko, sinabi mo dati sa mga dating episodes na yung tomato sauce, mas ginagawa na yan, mas masarap pa rin na initin.
You know what?
Para...
Ito ang first time in my whole life that I've put tomato sauce in a frying pan.
Oh, really?
Yes, first time ever. It feels weird.
No, don't worry.
Kasi
After
usually,
this-
pag ketchup or tomato
Yeah.
sauce, lagay mo na sa yung ulam na luto na.
Oo.
Yeah.
But this one, you're actually...
No, kasi we're parang resembling a leftover spaghetti.
spaghetti.
Okay.
Because if you don't cook the tomato sauce, it's sour. eh.
Sour.
No, it's overpowering.
Yeah.
It can take over a dish na to.
Okay, nagpa-boil na. Oh, so I just put this straight in?
Yeah, just put all of it.
Spaghetti.
Yan. And toss everything together hanggang makalabit yung yung spaghetti.
Okay, you can toss
We
everything
just- okay, so
together.
it's usually...
Yeah.
Ganun,
Just
no?
mix it so that it's evenly coated.
Yan. We're looking for one color.
You know, spaghetti, what is it about spaghetti na kids talaga love
nga eh.
spaghetti, no?
Oo.
Everybody, pag may
Comfort
party, yan ang una, at saka yung lumpia Shanghai na nauubos at barbecue.
Feeling ko kasi gusto nila yung...
Yung ganon.
Yung ganon,
At saka
yung-
yung maraming cheese na linalagyan ng
Ay,
cheese,
sarap
tapos may
yan.
hotdog pa.
That's the best.
Oh, di ba? Children's spaghetti.
Iwan lang
Iwan
natin.
na lang natin.
Tabi lang sa
Ito,
kawali.
initin mo naman to, Patpi. Initin mo yan.
Oh, okay.
Lagay natin tong ating...
Minola Premium Coconut Oil.
Kasi ang gagawin natin dito, Eric, is lalagay natin yung spaghetti dito. Tapos i-fry natin, pero lalagyan natin ng hole sa gitna.
Parang donut?
Hindi naman parang donut. Parang may space.
Oh.
Ilalagay
For the-
natin yung filling.
Ah.
Ito, parang ito yung kumbaga sa pizza, ito yung crust eh. Okay, so,
So, ito?
ilagay na natin. Medyo wavy na siya.
Nag-wave na. ng konti.
Nag-wave.
Mainit eh.
Hello?
That's the... Iba yung wave na yan. But yes, we'll take that. Alright,
Squirt in.
ilagay natin. And then
Actually,
we'll make a hole.
magandang ang gawin din dito is wok. Yung wok.
Wok. Para mas ma-crispy.
Hindi, tsaka para ganun talaga, iwalay.
Ah.
Meron siyang space sa gitna talaga.
Okay.
But
So
ang
ito-
gagawin natin, lalagyan natin ng space, iganon mo sa side, lalagyan natin ng space sa side. Kung hindi natin magawa, at least you get the idea behind.
So,
Kaya yan.
hold sa
Let's
gitna.
have, yan.
Okay,
Yan.
okay.
Yan.
Yeah.
Parang donut. Ayan.
Yeah, but leave some
Space.
base in the bottom also, may
A
spaghetti
little
pa.
bit, a little bit.
Kasi yan ang crust natin eh. Basta ko na, I'll show you.
Sinising po.
Nakikita mo, naluluto na siya. So,
Yeah.
kumbaga sa paella, meron tayong tutong.
Ito. So, Sandy, anong hinahanap natin? Medyo crunchy? Yung medyo may crust?
May konting crust,
So,
yeah.
we have to wait for it to brown a little.
A little bit, yeah. Pakitabi na to, please.
Tabi
Oh,
na.
mainit, Pat. Ay, sayang.
Grabe naman. Okay.
Ako na. You're our guest.
Love ko yan si Patty.
Okay.
Okay, ito na yung feeling.
Tinabi natin.
Okay, now.
Oh. So again, lagyan natin ng Minola Premium Coconut Oil, panggisa.
Beautiful.
Oh, lagay mo na yung garlic natin.
Garlic.
Garlic, ayan. Maraming
Kulang
garlic.
pa yan.
There
Kulang
you
pa yan.
go.
Sige, go.
I love garlic.
Ako rin. Healthy
Garlic.
ang garlic.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Next.
Sige, gisa mo
just
muna yan.
okay.
Isa muna. You know how to saute. You lived in the States, so you never even you
No,
were
in
never
Australia,
in the-
actually.
Ah,
I was
Australia.
born in New Zealand, raised in Australia.
Okay.
So, buti nga yung Australian accent hindi lumalabas kasi
Kaya
hindi nyo
akala ko
maintindihan.
America.
American because of the Filipino-American. And my wife is American.
Oh.
Yeah. Philippine, what do you call it?
Philam.
Philam siya.
Silam, ha?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Then onions naman na Eric.
Yeah, okay. Good timing. So after around 10-15 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay. I love onions too.
So
I'm
hindi na
not sure
natin
if you guys
kailangan lagyan ng kamatis, Sans, kasi may tomato sauce
It's up
na.
to you. It's up to you. Kung
I
gusto
like
mo,
that.
why
I like
not?
that.
Kamatis.
Why not? Yeah, why not?
Oo.
Tapos red and green bell peppers.
Green and
Okay.
red bell pepper.
So there's always a process na talagang what to put in first,
Yeah,
second,
yeah.
third. parang
Once
ganun.
Usually,
Oo.
the rule of thumb is, the one that cooks the longest, yan ang uunahin mo.
Yeah.
Eric, paano ka nag-start mag-host sa TikTok?
Sa TikTok naman, actually, I was in Cebu one time and I was bored kasi taping.
Oh.
And then I came across the app in 2019 or
Wow,
2019.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I said, hey, maganda yata
Round
to eh.
four.
Parang, syempre, dancer ako.
Oo.
Oh.
And the best thing about the technology back then was, as a dancer noon, you have to shoot, make sure you have a video, the music.
Yeah.
Then you shoot the video, then you have to edit it yourself. Pero TikTok, edited agad. So I was thinking on it from a dancing
What do you mean,
perspective.
edited na agad?
Because
Sila
may
nag-
music na, may video
music
pa.
na. Sayaw ka na lang,
3,
play.
2, 1, play!
Oo.
And then record, and then post. That's it, caption
Oh,
post.
so Sandy, try mo.
Alin?
Yes.
Yeah, mag-TikTok.
Try natin.
Hindi, dito na lang tayo.
Dancing Chef Sandy. What is your famous, what is that?
Ganun dapat eh.
Baka hindi makakain mga tao pag nakita ko.
Pero
For
what's
the
your
kids, for the
signature
kids.
dance step? You have a signature dance step yung ginaya ng lahat, yung sumikat. Oo.
The seating,
The
which is
ting-ting.
called the ting-ting, or...
Oo.
Pero in Vietnamese, it's not really ting-ting.
Oo.
It's called seating.
Sitting.
Kailangan
It's the
durugin mo,
seating
Eric
is the
Lata.
name.
Yung mga buo-buo, kailangan
Okay.
durugin mo, ah.
Okay, gets.
Okay, dali turuan si Eric.
Luncheon meat. So again, you can substitute it with ground beef. Diba?
Half a pork cube.
You
Lagyan mo
can
lang
mix
yan.
ground beef and ground
Flavor yan,
pork.
Actually, ito yung gagawin ko sa bahay. I just say, can you prepare everything?
Yeah.
Tapos ako
exactly.
na
I
papasok.
will put it all together and surprise you.
Nawala na yung pinkish
konti.
color. Lagyan na natin yung ating Pinoy spaghetti sauce. Okay.
Okay.
Ito na yung flavoring, no?
Oo.
Tapos ito na yung sinasabi ko rin. Pat, gamitin mo imagination mo kung anong mga timpla gusto mo
Ano
ilagay.
flavor?
Oh. Tapos, liquid seasoning.
Yan.
Halo-halo.
Kapag brown ang ground pork at nakasayaw ka na ng konti, ilipat na ito sa bowl. Crack a few eggs into it at ika nga ni Michael Jackson, just beat it.
Yung eggs talaga, screenamble natin kasama yung
Yeah, yung
naluto
flavoring,
na natin.
no?
Correct.
Oo.
Na
Oo.
giniling.
You know what? This is a lot of cooking.
A lot of
cooking in this process, ha?
Is it difficult?
Not really. Pag-prepared lahat.
Yeah.
Pag prepared.
Okay, let's go.
For everything.
There.
Yes! Alright,
Sayang yung
syempre,
dalawang
sayang. Tatlo, meron pa.
Apat, lima.
Ayan
Okay.
na. Oh, may isa pa.
May isa
Cigarette.
pa?
No. Leave no prisoners behind.
Oo, yan.
Alright.
Okay, so ito, 20 minutes sa oven, 350,
Ilan?
that's it. Mga 350 degrees, 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Pag nag-set, kasi lahat ng ingredients luto na, yung egg lang eh.
Oh.
Pag nag-set na yan. Tapos paglabas yan, flip natin.
So when you flip it, that's the cake.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because na, you
And it's
remember we're
on the top.
cooking the,
Yes,
we're
yes,
hardening the crust.
Yeah. O, sige. So,
Sige.
surprise.
I'm excited for the finishing result.
Okay.
Okay, yan.
Okay.
Hintayin natin maluto to.
Kita nyo na ba yung ating spaghetti quote, unquote cake? Uunahan ko na si Patpi ha. Tada!
Tada!
Ganda lumabas,
Ang
no?
ganda na ating spaghetti spaghetti cake.
Presentation pa lang, no?
Presentation pa lang. Parang kulang may kandila.
Hindi, you know,
Happy birthday.
it's also cake because you slice it like a pie.
Pie.
Di ba?
Oo nga. So, dapat spaghetti pie. Hindi spaghetti cake.
Hindi, palitan natin. Gawin natin spaghetti pie. Bira talaga. Masarap yan. I'm sure, alam mo, from the ingredients alone, masasabi mo masarap yan.
Sige.
Di ba? Malito.
Okay. Pero sabi ko nga, di ba, Eric, pangalawa pa lang ito eh. So,
Yes.
kailangan natin maghintay pa ng dalawang recipe bago natin matikman lahat ng linuto natin. Sa pagbabalik natin, ang lulutuin natin ay a fast food chicken burger.
Ayun na. Now we're talking.
Yeah, sa pagbabalik ng Lutong Daza.
Kada umaga, sarap ng umaga, magkakasama. Kada umaga, kada umaga, sarap ng umaga, magkakasama. Kada umaga.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.
We're back with
Yes.
Eric Eruption and the theme is erupting flavor.
This one is called fast food chicken sandwich.
Okay.
So those of you who have, I'm sure you've tried it.
Yeah.
Marami mga brands ng mga chicken sandwich yan eh.
Oo.
Pwede nyo gawin sa bahay.
Correct. Oo.
Okay.
So, anong ingredients?
Ito
ng
yung ingredients
ating-
ng ating fast food chicken sandwich.
May tatlong parte itong chicken sandwich ni Sandy. Una ay ang flavored patty, kung saan gagamit tayo ng giniling na manok, asin, paminta, onion at garlic powder, at Minola Premium Coconut Oil. At para sa batter naman, ihanda ng arena, asin at paminta, garlic at onion powder, at konting tubig.
Papasarapin natin ito with a sauce na gawa sa mayonnaise, Dijon mustard at vinegar. At syempre, hindi kompleto ang ating sandwich kung walang hamburger buns, extra mayo, lettuce, tomatoes, at Minola coconut butter.
Okay, so ayan na yung ating mga ingredients. So,
Yeah.
anong una natin gagawin, Sandy?
Gawin natin muna yung flavored patty. Okay, so
Flavored
meron
patty.
taying giniling. Pakihalo, Eric, yung
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kailangan
Yeah, salt,
giniling
pepper.
ng manok dahil
Garlic.
ito ay fast food
This
chicken
is-
Garlic,
sandwich.
garlic powder,
Garlic powder.
onion powder,
And then onion powder.
okay, and then mix.
Mix together.
This
Pour
is
it
mixed
here.
now. Pour it inside already?
Yeah, and then mix.
For the dry ingredients.
Mix it with this, sige. Just to spread the flavors. Alam mo kasi, ang point ko rito, pagka naprito mo yung chicken patty at nakagat mo without the sauces, it will stand on its own. May lasa siya. Okay.
Sandy, may question ako.
Ah.
Ground chicken ang gamit natin dito. Pwede bang breast chicken na lang?
Yes,
Para
of
at least
course.
hindi na, yung mas
Yeah.
buo, di ba?
Oh.
Oo.
Ah, yung buong chicken, you mean?
Yung chicken breast mismo,
Pwede.
di ba?
Wow,
But
that's
imbis
an
na,
idea.
Imbis na patty,
Yeah.
you just fry na lang the chicken
The chicken.
breast.
Oh, yan, okay, set
Mix.
aside.
Set aside.
Set aside.
Now, lagyan natin yung batter naman na flour.
Flour. Okay, flour.
Lagyan dito.
And
Flour.
then just right
This will give
inside.
kasi the crunch, di ba?
Yes.
The crispy
Salt,
flavor.
pepper.
No, Sandy?
Yeah, salt,
Yung flour.
pepper.
Salt and pepper. This
Salt
is it.
and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Yan, halo. Lagyan mo dyan.
Straight away, agad.
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful.
Tapos, onion and garlic powder. Lagyan mo dyan, yeah. Lagyan yung garlic powder.
Garlic again. Sorry, not reach that.
Okay, mix. Kayang-kaya. Alam mo si Eric, ang galing eh. Hindi pa nagluluto yan, ha? Nilagay
At
na
saka
baba
tingnan mo, may
na
stand
Eric.
talaga siya.
Okay.
Kanina pa siya
Gamitin mo.
nakahawak sa bowl.
Okay, lagyan natin ng water.
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 Sige,
Okay.
go. Mix.
And then, okay. I'll have to hold it again.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sanay ako ng ganito
Yeah.
eh.
You look like an expert when you do that. Same
Alam mo
here.
ito, mas makapal yung
Batter.
batter, mas makapal yung coating. Pag gusto mo naman, wag masyadong makapal, gawin mo
Nipisan.
malabnaw.
Okay.
So,
Lagyan mo,
kailangan
dagdagan mo ng
by
tubig.
adding water. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, okay na yun eh.
Okay na.
Getting there.
Yun lang, yes.
Slowly but surely.
Okay, that's it. Now, ang gagawin natin dito, yung ground chicken natin, gagawin natin ball, tapos ifa-flatten natin. Pag na-flatten natin, lagay mo muna sa fridge o sa freezer para tumigas bago natin ilagay dito sa batter and then fry.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, okay.
Gawin muna natin
Bobola-bola
mga
muna
patty ito,
natin.
ha? Gawin
sige.
muna natin mga patty ito.
Kapag nakuha mo na ang consistency na medyo thick at mabagal ng galaw ng batter, it's time to form our patties.
Okay.
So ayan na. Rinol na natin, ginawa natin malaking
Yes.
bola-bola.
Okay, so ang gagawin natin, para sticky to eh, yung mixture na to. So, babad natin yung kamay
Ayan.
natin sa
Wet your
tubig.
hands.
Okay, okay.
I'll make one, ha?
Oh.
I-coat muna natin to. Sana magawa ko. Tingnan mo yung size nung tinapay.
Oo, yan
So,
ang...
medyo malaki.
Malaki. Tapos tandaan mo, nagsishrink pa yan eh, di ba?
So, okay lang na i-widen.
So parang
yung konti.
hamburger
Yeah.
patty pero chicken ito. Ayun.
Tapos lagyan na natin ating
Ating, syempre, ang pinaka-importanting ingredient pang ikaw ay nagpiprito ay Minola Premium Coconut Oil. Damihan natin to, di ba?
Yeah.
Ayan, dadamihan natin para talagang malutong ang ating crispy chicken patty.
Normally kasi ito, ang gagawin ninyo, pagka na-form na natin into patties, nalagyan na natin to freezer.
Para tumigas.
Tumigas ng konti. Okay?
Eric, because
I will
you're
have
our
a go.
guest.
Ako,
yes,
I'll wash
have a
muna.
go.
I'll wash siya.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, so while Eric is doing that, syempre talagang dapat gumamit tayo ng Minola Premium Coconut Oil para maganda ang prito. Di ba? Malutong.
Yes.
And do you know, Eric, that coconut oil is very good for cooking because it has a high smoke point. It means to say, it doesn't burn easily. Ang difference nito sa virgin coconut oil, yung virgin coconut oil, mabilis masunog. So dapat ang ginagamit natin, refined coconut oil. And that is the Minola Premium Coconut Oil.
Actually, Pat, you mentioned yung refined coconut oil. Mas makakatipid ka eh. Kasi pag hindi nasusunog, ang cause ng deterioration ng oil pag nasusunog eh.
Yung lasa naging iba.
Hindi lang lasa nag-iiba, hindi mo na magagamit.
Gamit.
Di ba?
Tsaka, lasang sunog.
Yeah.
Diba? So ito, pwede mong i-reuse.
Yeah.
Sandy,
Pag
okay
deep
na
fry.
ba?
Yeah, okay na yan.
Wait, it
Yeah.
looks
Okay, and then
Pat,
nice.
flip mo na, Pat. Yeah.
I-flip ko na ito.
Okay.
Ay,
Very good. Nice. Beautiful. Happy birthday to you. Okay, ito na.
Go.
Next part.
Yeah.
Straight in.
Ito na yung pinakamahirap na part. Oh. Sige.
Okay.
Pero pag nilagay mo naman sa pan, basta non-stick pan.
oo.
Okay.
Wow,
Okay.
napakapangit yan, Eric.
Yeah, I know.
Eric, ang pangit yan, Eric.
Nag-stick ka agad eh. Okay lang. Pauwi tayo dito sa frying part.
Maayos natin yan.
Maayos natin yan. Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay,
Sige,
ready?
try.
3, 2, 1.
Careful. Don't
Gotta be
drop
quick,
it.
gotta be quick, gotta be
Yeah.
quick.
Don't drop it.
Ay, sorry. Nag-stick.
It's okay.
Hindi ko kasalanan yan ha. Okay, wait.
Hindi, pwede pa i-form yan.
Yan, form natin yan. Oh, that's beautiful.
Hindi, alam mo, Eric,
Pero,
kailangan...
Abstract to, hindi to
Ba't ang
patty.
tsura? Parang broken-hearted.
Nagkahiwalay sila.
Hindi, alam mo, dapat ang bread nito, hotdog eh.
Talaga?
Hotdog bread eh. Baba eh.
Sandy ha?
Eric ha?
Grabe ha? Tignan mo ako.
Nice.
Dumikit dito.
Okay na yan,
Sige.
okay. O, pakita na natin to paano i-assemble in a while, ha?
May nadiscover akong hack. Kapag wala ng oras para palamigin muna ang patty sa freezer, mas madali pala kung sa pan na mismo pipit-pitin or flatten ang coated balls. O ha?
Okay.
Assembly.
Ayan na. Tingnan natin yung mga burger patties.
Ay,
yung
ang
chicken
ganda.
patties.
Akin to eh. Ako yung gumawa nito. Ay, yan pala.
Okay, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, assembly tayo.
Assembly.
Lagyan mo ng
Nakaon
ating
na.
konting Minola
Minola.
coconut
Coconut
butter
butter.
natin.
Coconut
Sige.
butter.
Yun. Okay. Lagyan mo ng konti. Lagyan natin ha. Tapos kung ang
Butter.
gagawin natin, yung tinapay, gaganon lang natin ng konti. Lagyan mo konti.
Sige, I'll add a little.
Yan. Okay, yan.
Yes.
Ihanda mo na yung sauce natin. Haluin
Okay.
mo lang to. Mayonnaise,
Mayonnaise. I love
lemon, and
mayonnaise
Dijon
too.
mustard.
Also
Yeah.
love
Alright.
Those three lang ito gamitin mo.
So, we just put, this is,
Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard. So siya, Dijon mustard.
so okay lang na i-mix ko na lang dito.
Yeah. Tapos
So kung walang Dijon, yellow mustard.
yellow mustard is fine.
Okay.
Vinegar. Oh. Ketchup, mayonnaise, di ba?
And then mix.
Mix. Pat, patayin mo na yung apoy natin.
Patayin na natin to.
Tanggalin mo na yung tinapay natin.
Tanggalin ang mga tinapay.
Assembly na tayo, ha? Okay.
Ooh, this is medyo toasty.
Yes, I
Eh?
like this toast.
For those,
Mayonnaise.
Ito, talagang if you want talagang gawin mong double decker.
So, gutom eh, oh.
Gutom na talaga. Double decker, dalawang patty.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
favorite. Ooh,
Ayan,
tomato.
salad tomatoes.
Dalawa, syempre.
Yes, then you can put pepino, di ba, if you want.
Ano yung pangit na ano dito?
Ito yung gawa ni Eric, yung
Hindi, hindi akin yan, ha? Hindi akin yan.
Ayan na, oh.
Oh, there.
Oh, wow.
Ayan.
And then,
Tapos, ikaw naman gumawa
your
ng-
powers
No,
are
no, no,
set.
no, not that. This one.
Hindi,
Ay, ito
hindi,
pala.
hindi.
Tama, yeah.
It's okay. Ito.
Ito. Oh,
Uy,
yan.
yung sauce.
Uy, buti titinan ko kung kaya mo.
Hindi kasi, naintindihan ko naman kasi may mayonnaise na.
Yeah. Uy, nakalimutan ko yung sauce.
Tingnan mo.
Eric,
Ayan.
galing.
Lagyan natin ng konting sauce.
Yan na, ikaw naman
ikaw.
gumawa ngayon. Next.
Ikaw.
Oh.
Buttery, crunchy, meaty, juicy, at full of flavor, pareha si Eric at ang ating homemade fast food chicken sandwich. Hindi na kailangan lumabas ng bahay para lang masatisfy ang inyong chicken sandwich cravings. Tada! There you go with your fast food chicken sandwich.
What did you think about? It was long, pero was it doable?
Oh, yes, I think anyone can do it at home.
Yeah.
Basta yung ingredients, be creative,
Yeah.
kung ano gusto mong ilagay.
Sabi, ulitin mo yung technique na para hindi maging messy. Para
Okay,
sa taste.
nahalo na natin yung ground chicken, ano? Gawin natin na bola. Dip mo yung kamay mo sa water muna. No? Gawin mo ang bola, lagay mo sa flour, tapos lagay mo sa butter. Tapos ilagay mo sa frying pan na may mantika. Yung spatula, yung pang-flat mo,
Pang-flat.
i-dip mo yung ilalim sa oil, tapos yun ang pang-flat mo dun sa bola.
Dun sa
para
bola.
maging ano siya, maging patty, mag-spread.
And hindi siya
Oo.
mag-stick.
So this is our third dish. So
Third.
one more dish.
One more.
Isa na lang.
Dessert
Tapos kakain na tayo. Sa pagbabalik po ng Lutong Daza, samahan niyo pa rin kami kasama ni Eric Eruption. This segment was brought to you by Minola Premium Coconut Oil. Bet ang luto with Minola.
Kalma lang po, hindi po gobyerno ang gumawa nito.
Tampok ang mga nagbabagang balita at malalimang panayam sa mga pangunahing personalidad, mga opisyal ng gobyerno, eksperto at mga taong nasa sentro ng kontrobersya. Harapan at tapatan. Alamin ang totoo. Alamin ang magkakaibang panig. Sumabay sa init ng mga balita at issue. Ano sa palagay nyo? Alas 8 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga, Lunes hanggang Biyernes, dito lang sa Net25.
And we're back! Last
Last na to.
recipe na ito. Nako.
Tsaka ito, yung lahat dadaanan ni Eric, pati baking.
Baking.
grabe. Dessert, no?
Dessert.
Love it.
Talagang this is ano,
The best part.
to cap the episode, we have to end it on a sweet note.
Yes. Sweet note, I love it.
Sweet note. Anong title nito, San?
These are called chocolate macaroons.
Chocolate
Macaroons.
macaroons.
Oo. When you say kasi macaroons, ano yan eh, coconut, di ba? Kaya nagiging macaroons because of the coconut ingredient. Am I correct? Okay.
Just like
Just like that.
Dali lang ito. Dali lang itong gawin itong recipe na ito. Alam mo, yung kids, yung mga mothers yan or fathers, kung gusto nyo involve yung mga bata, para gumawa nito, kayang-kaya ninyo
Ayan,
gawin.
activity with the family.
Okay, ito mga ingredients natin sa chocolate coconut macaroons.
All right, today for chocolate coconut macaroons, we have egg whites, condensed milk, vanilla, sweetened desiccated coconut, chocolate powder, banana, which is gonna be mashed.
Main ingredient is desiccated coconut. What it is yung ibang coconut kasi, ginigrate yan, and then they extract the milk, di ba? Ito hindi.
Kata.
Oo. So, mas malasa siya. Kasi yung iba ginagawa nila, lagyan either ng tubig, then they
Yes,
press,
they press.
to get the coconut milk.
Milk.
When you do that, it's still good, the texture is there, but the flavor is not as intense.
As powerful, as
Oh.
intense.
No sweetness.
No sweetness. Now, this one, you just dry it. So, it's dried coconut,
Coconut
desiccated.
So nandyan pa rin.
Nandyan pa siya.
Yung lasa.
Oo.
Itong desiccated coconut, it's available in any supermarket. Di ba sa mga baking needs, ayan, dyan mo yan nakahanap, yung desiccated coconut.
Ang gagawin natin, ganito muna, no? Okay, in a bowl, ang gagawin natin, lagay natin yung ating condensed milk at saka yung chocolate powder.
Condensed milk, naku, tamis niyan.
Yes.
Condensed milk.
One of our favorites, powder.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa
yan.
powder.
Pour.
Hindi
Then
cocoa
vanilla.
powder, ha?
Vanilla.
It's cocoa powder, hindi cocoa.
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 salt,
Sa vanilla?
para may konting kalabit ng saltiness, and then
okay.
vanilla.
Vanilla. Dapat ang vanilla mo dyan,
But
pure
yung
good
vanilla-
quality.
Sobrang minimal lang.
Oo, kasi
Konti
strong.
kasi very strong yan eh.
strong, yeah.
Actually, one of the countries that makes the best vanilla is Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico!
Yes.
Oh, then
Viva
mix it
Mexico!
to.
Okay.
Huwag na natin gamitin yung spatula. Wire whip na tayo.
Wire
So-
whisk na.
Yan.
There you go.
Ah!
Matalsik, ah. Wow.
That's how we do it, baby!
Fresh na fresh yung eggs.
Yes.
Yeah. Another one.
Yeah, buo pa. Alright, let's do another one.
Yan. Okay,
Nice
tabi.
and easy.
Tabi mo muna to, Pat.
Itabi ko na muna.
Now, ang gawin natin,
Mamaya
get,
tayo mag-mix.
get one banana and mash it.
One banana and mash it. Let's get the big
Oh,
one.
so this is healthy.
Aha.
May banana.
Okay.
You can make your children eat this para kung ayaw nilang kumain ng mga fruits. Ayan.
Yan. Actually, sometimes it's even better pag overripe yung banana mo.
Yes, para mas malambot, di ba? Tsaka lasang-lasa.
Tignan mo to, si Eric, natuto pa mag-bake today, oh.
Anong ginawa niyo sa akin?
You're a changed man.
Ako, baka may certificate ako mamaya. Chef!
Okay.
Chef
Mix.
na. Okay. The whisk.
Whisk.
And whisk it. Let's
Okay,
see.
there
You
we
put
go.
your biceps in good use. To good use.
At saka ito, kailangan, you have to look at the color. It has to be one uniform color. Oh,
Oh,
yung
tapos ito.
spatula.
Spatula.
Fold in na.
Fold in.
I'll show you how to fold muna. I'll teach you muna.
All of it
Then
right
you
away,
Yeah,
Sans.
all of it. Naka-pre-measure yan eh.
Oo.
Gagawin natin is ganito. From the side, ganun lang.
Huwag i-mix, ifo-fold.
Fold yan.
Yeah. When you fold it, that's how you do
From the
it.
side.
So you fold it gently.
Yeah.
You don't mix it.
Kasi kailangan may parang, kumbaga, lumpy siya. Kasi kung minix mo, baka mag-compress eh.
Tsaka magiging parang soft yung texture.
Yan, tinawatan mo yung texture. Ganda. Beautiful. Okay. Ilagay na natin
Okay.
sa mga muffin pans.
Para madali ang proseso, gagamit tayo ng malaking ice cream scoop. After that, i-bake lang ito ng 20 minutes sa isang 300-degree Fahrenheit oven. And that's it! Napaka-impressive tingnan. Pero ang dali-dali lang pala gumawa ng chocolate coconut macaroons. Tada! Ito na ang ating chocolate macaroons. Di ba? Ito na yung
That-
dessert. Ito na yung sweet note
That
natin.
you made. That you
Yes.
made.
That we made.
Yeah.
That we all
You know, one
made.
thing nice about this, pag sunog, hindi mo mahalata.
Pagsunod.
Di ba?
Actually. Pero hindi sunog yan.
Hindi sunog
Hindi
yan.
sunog yan.
Saka isa pa,
Oh.
you know, pwedeng i-beat mo yung egg whites, then i-fold mo yung mga ingredients. Or, ginawa natin, diretso.
Buong egg.
Di ba?
Actually.
Kasi egg just acts like a binder.
Yes.
Parang glue.
Glue.
Oh, so, kinda healthy kasi may bananas, may itlog, pero may chocolate, di ba? So, complete food.
Yeah.
Yes.
Di ba?
Coconut pa.
Coconut
Okay.
pa. Okay, so ito na nga yung huli. Like I promised
Yeah.
you, Eric, we'll eat already. Okay, so
Salamat.
pagbabalik po ng Lutong Daza, kainan na! Samahan niyo pa kami. Kasama pa rin si Eric Eruption!
Sa mata ng balita, una sa kaalaman, mga boses na mapagkakatiwalaan ng mamamayan.
Higit sa 100 milyong pisong halaga ng shabu ang nasapat sa isinagawang bypass operation sa lungsod ng Baguio.
Natakot naman at nalungkot ang mga negosyanteng Chinese-Filipino sa sinapit po ng businessman at ang driver nito na dinukot at pinaslang.
Ali Soto, Alex Santos, Mata ng Agila Primetime. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 6 ng gabi, dito lang sa Net25.
Let's get together. Sa Net 25. Sa Net 25.
Ang sarap ng menu natin today. May chicken and oranges combo sa ating Asian salad. May kakaibang spaghetti dish na kagigiliwan ng mga bata. May healthy alternative tayo sa ating paboritong fast food chicken sandwich. At may chocolate and coconut dessert combination pa.
Pero hindi lang yan ang niluto namin. Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari, pero napasayaw talaga kami ni Eric. Kung may Aldiger Sisters dati, may Daza Cousins naman ngayon. Kung gusto nyong makita ang aming debut performance ni Sandy, pati na rin ang mga recipes mula sa episode natin ngayong umaga, bisitahin nyo lang kami sa Instagram at TikTok ng Lutong Daza. And we're back, Eric!
The best part?
The best part, the eating part.
Yeah.
This is what everybody waits for. And because today is special, because it's erupting with flavors day, we will make you start with the first dish.
Ay,
We chilled
salamat.
it. Oh,
Yung salad
Masarap.
natin.
Yung salad
Pat,
natin.
serve mo na si
Serve
guest
kita.
natin.
Ay,
Yeah.
no, I will serve you. Ang title
Birthday
nito,
mo eh.
di ba, hindi.
Ay,
Anong
sorry.
title nito? Yung ating roast chicken, ay hindi, sorry. Chicken,
Sesame
chicken
chicken salad.
salad.
Eric,
Mine?
come on.
Let's
Your-
go.
Get
First dibs?
First dibs.
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh, no. It's true what you said.
Wow.
What?
Orange goes with salad
Yeah.
any time
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
any time of the day.
Oo.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Masarap ito.
Pero alam mo, you can imagine what you were saying about adding hard-boiled eggs.
Hard-boiled eggs.
Ano?
Yes, yes.
Ako naman, I want to put a crunch. I'll put like fried tortilla, di ba? Or yung mga, ano yung tawag doon? Yung parang mga chippy-chippy, di ba?
It's very refreshing, yung salad niya.
Because you guys put it in the fridge, right?
Yeah.
Tsaka, when you bite into the orange also, bigla may parang
May burst.
fresh. Yeah. Galing.
So
Very
very
nice.
healthy ito. And
Tsaka
your salad
cabbage.
guy.
It's made with cabbage.
Yeah. Okay. So,
love it.
is this something that you can do?
Yes, definitely can do at
You
home.
didn't cook. You just
No.
mixed all the ingredients.
I'm sure my wife will be surprised if ever I
Galing.
get a chance to do something like this. I'll surprise her.
Exactly. That's the whole point in enjoying something like this is surprise your diner.
Correct. Okay. Next dish. Itong ating birthday cake, spaghetti. Spaghetti cake or spaghetti pie. So I wonder if the kids will also like it na ganito.
Kasi mahilig sa
Ganitong
spaghetti,
style,
yes.
Oo, mahilig sa spaghetti. Pero ito, parang naging frittata, naging omelette.
Quiche or something like that, right? Parang ganun eh.
Actually, di ba siya, no?
Yeah. Cheese, pwede pa. What do you think?
Interesting. Because if you didn't know it was a spaghetti cake, you wouldn't know.
Yeah. Surprise the diner.
Para siyang hindi mo malasahan na galing siya sa spaghetti.
Yeah, yeah,
Kasi
yeah,
hindi
yeah,
mo
yeah.
na malasahan yung noodles eh. Di ba? Tapos nag-blend na lahat, yung nangibabaw na taste, yung itlog.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Tsaka yung mixture ng
Pagka-omelette.
mga bell peppers and everything, hindi lang yon. Yung leftover spaghetti mo, nagamit mo.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
And you made it into a masterpiece. Like, it
Yeah.
looks really presentable, didn't
Yeah,
it?
ganda.
You know, actually, sa
Quiche
naisip
nga,
ko,
quiche you mentioned.
Oo, quiche. Pwede siyang kasama ng kanin. Pwedeng ulam.
Pwede.
Ulam.
Oo.
Ulam
Pinoy,
kasi-
gagawing ulam yan.
Oo,
Yeah.
kasi parang itlog eh.
Yeah, and my ham,
May ham.
Yeah.
There's something else in it we put in there.
Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Ay, oo.
Yan, pandesal, hot pandesal. Ako, inisip ko kanin eh. Kanin ko ilalagay. Your kids, do you have kids?
Yes, one.
How many?
5-year-old.
Just one.
Oh, really?
And he
Do you
loves
think-
spaghetti as well.
Oh, do you think it's something that he will try, he will eat?
He's not yet into the cakes or pies or anything
Yeah.
like that just yet, but I think very soon.
Very
Okay.
soon.
Very soon talaga.
5 years old.
So,
okay.
sarap ah.
Oo.
Quite good.
Oh,
That's why I
quite
say it
good.
came out really well.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm going to say nga, parang gusto ko may kanin.
yeah.
Oh, the third dish, ayan.
Go, just
yung
get
ating
yours,
fast food chicken.
This is what I've been waiting for. I'm a very big burger guy. Here we go.
Oh, there you
Very
go.
good.
Very good. Does it remind you of the fast food chicken sandwiches?
Better.
Better.
Sarap nito.
Oh.
No?
Winner!
Winner.
Winner. Alam mo, pwede mong gawin dito. You can put the salad on top of this also. Di ba?
Correct. Side dish.
Sarap. Very good.
Alam mo, sarap ito pag talagang mainit na mainit.
Yes.
Tapos malutong na malutong the chicken.
Yeah.
And then when you bite into it, may crunch. Then your french fries on the side. And then you have the salad also on the side. Wow.
Wow.
It's a
Complete
meal.
meal.
This is very, very good.
You know what? This is worth 499 pesos na.
Really?
Ito lang.
Yeah.
Feeling ko, this is the type of burger, parang deluxe meal.
Malinis yung
Deluxe
lasa, eh.
burger,
Malinis yung taste, no?
Are you a burger kind of guy?
Yes, yes, I love burgers. I love it. I'm a sucker for burgers talaga.
What's your favorite burger?
It's chicken. It's
Chicken
always
burger
chicken
talaga?
burger. I mean, I love the good old, the
Traditional.
traditional burgers, but I'm a chicken guy, so.
Panalo to.
Panalo to. And our last, the dessert. Chocolate coconut macaroons, correct?
You have to just put it in your mouth, the whole thing.
Sarap, di ba? Wala naman tayong ginagawang hindi masarap dito. You know, I test all the recipes.
Yeah. Ito, it reminds me of like a banana chocolate bread.
Correct.
Di ba?
Ay,
Parang
kalabit
ganon.
ng banana, no?
May
Na-
kalabit, tsaka na...
What do you say?
I'm thinking that it's perfect in a healthy way as well.
Yeah.
It's not overpoweringly sweet.
Yeah.
Yan yung maganda dito.
That's
Because
because of
usually
the
if you
banana.
in the everywhere else where you purchase these, they're usually jam-packed with sugar.
Correct, correct, correct.
Ito, healthy option.
Condensed
Na masarap,
milk.
masarap din.
Masarap, yeah.
So you're a healthy eater. You and your wife and your son.
I try my best.
You try
Again,
your
kasi
best.
sometimes you have to, live a little, di ba?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Live a little. So that means most of the time you deprive yourself.
Yeah.
Sometimes reward yourself.
Oo, weekends, you let go. It's the
Maybe
time.
Sunday.
Maybe.
Maybe just Sunday, not weekend. Kasi
Not
weekend,
weekend,
3 days
2
yun eh.
days. Oh, hindi,
Minsan,
Saturday,
kasama sa Friday din yun eh. But yeah,
So, among the 4 dishes that we prepared today, that we cooked, my first question is, what do you think is the dish that you can easily prepare at home with confidence? Now, when you go home tonight, oh, honey, I cooked this, and this, but tonight I will cook for you this. Which one is the easiest?
for a non-cooker, lahat medyo complex. In a way, in a way, you have to prepare. You have to make sure you have the right ingredients.
let's
Pero
say-
if it was
Forget the preparation. Let's say you're able to prepare
it.
it. Everything was what? Easy naman
easy,
eh, di ba?
in that perspective,
Correct.
madali lang.
Yeah.
Salad, easy. Because that was so quick. We
Yeah,
did that
just
first,
mix
right?
it,
Yeah.
Boom, 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 agad. Yung matagal lang dito sa salad was just the luto ng chicken, but it was
Correct.
only 5 minutes.
Yeah. Wasn't hard.
This the burger.
The burger.
I'm definitely gonna make that at home. I'm a burger guy, so
Yeah.
matatanda na ba ito?
Oh,
Yeah.
good. Okay, so despite your some level of difficulty, you can still go home and readily say, okay, I will make the chicken burger and I will make a salad.
Actually,
Perfect, di ba?
bagay yun.
Oo, bagay yun.
Oo, di ba? So, before we let you go, Eric, you have to share with us your healthy tips. How do you maintain your body? What kind of workout do you do? How much do you eat?
Matagal yan. Tatagal tayo
Matagal ba
dito.
yan?
Ilalabas ko yung aklat ko eh.
Nako.
Aklat,
Sige.
ano,
Ay, libro.
Oo, hindi.
Ba yan?
Yung ano lang, yung we can
Okay.
follow easily, yung hindi mahirap, hindi intimidating.
I think the best thing to do is make everything at home. And that way you're safe and you know exactly what's
okay.
in the food. Minsan when you eat outdoors or elsewhere, or at places, locations, restaurants, sometimes you don't know what exactly is in there. So I think the safe way and the best way is probably have your
Home cooked meal.
home cooked meal. And tsaka mura pa. Makakatipid ka pa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
but-
other than that,
Oh.
I would say eat more organic and more natural foods. So keep your food on the plate colorful.
Yeah.
So hindi lang pwedeng
Appetite.
ulam and rice, which is white and
Yeah.
brown, and that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Gotta keep it colorful. So
Yeah.
make it interesting. Look.
Galing.
Yung napansin ko dito, like, everything is presentable in a way na parang you're an artist.
Yeah.
It has this texture, this thing, ganun. And that's how we should eat.
Yeah. Patay
Mura
na
lang yun eh,
Patay na
because-
yung spam ko. Wala na.
I mean, like, this is so colorful. It's
Yeah.
got everything in there.
Yeah.
You know it's gonna be.
Yeah. Eat with your
something.
eyes also. Yeah.
Eat with
Galing.
your eyes. So nice having
Yeah,
you,
thank you,
Eric.
Thank you.
And it was such a pleasure because you're so fun to be with.
No.
You're so game.
No.
You
Dahil
dance
game
so
kayo.
well. You dance so well. We got so insecure.
No, you
What
guys
do
did
mean
well.
we? What do you mean we?
you have confidence
Diba?
to dance.
Naka-groove to eh.
Nag-groove. O, di ba nilabas
Ganun,
niya yung
ganun.
mga where else moves niya eh. Where else?
Ang masasabi ko lang, thank you.
Thank
for
you.
both
Thank
of you.
Eric, thank you very much.
Sandy, and
Finally.
also
Appreciate
Pat.
it. Thank you.
Maraming
Finally,
salamat.
natuloy na tayo, Eric.
Yes.
ha?
At sana, hindi lang itong last.
Ano,
I did.
we will
Come
ask you to
back,
come back.
come back.
Oo.
To eat lang, kahit
To
eat
eat
lang. After the show, kain lang.
Thank you very much kay Eric Erapson. I hope you all enjoyed itong Lutong Danza episode dahil marami kami masasarap na luto. So samahan niyo ulit kami sa Sabado, alas 11 ng umaga, dito lang sa Net25. Maraming salamat. See you again!
Bye guys. Maraming salamat.